Hello there and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Josh Morris, and if you are ambitious, if you want to be the best version of yourself, then this channel is for you. I run a small online business from home, selling things on Amazon, selling things online, and in this channel, I'm gonna teach you how to start an online business using Amazon FBA, and that's after I made over £300,000 on Amazon, and I helped students to start earning thousands of pounds per month as well. You'll also learn how to sell digital products as well after our courses made over $200,000. And I'll teach you how to trade and invest in the stock market after I learned from a 30-year veteran in the game, and he's a really nice guy as well. You'll learn how to overcome mental barriers and pain and fear and doubt, and learn to become the best version of yourself with my self-development and self-improvement videos. You'll also learn what I'm reading in my favorite book review videos and book summaries, so you can buy the books or follow along. Each week I'll bring you more videos on these topics and probably some more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, bing, so you get notified of future videos coming out. And make sure you comment below, say hello, introduce yourself, and everyone who comments on this video will get a mention in a future video. So subscribe now, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, and thank you so much for joining this channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm so happy that you're a part of it.